Hey everybody, Crafty Queen here. I just wanted to do a quick intro to this video. See, my best friend, she just purchased her own home and she had a hard time finding some decor for it. So I did a couple of DIYs for her that she ended up loving. So I thought I would do a video on how I did these projects. These DIYs were made out of Dollar Tree and Goodwill items. So I hope this video inspires you to make your home decor that you could be proud of, and it'll save you some money. Let's get to it.
Standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
For the 3D wall decor, I used 2 photo frames and 1 satin pillowcase from Dollar Tree. I removed the back of the frame so that I could take off the strings. And then I put the back on and I glued a piece of the string on the back for hanging purposes. I used my staple gun to connect the 2 frames together.
Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone.
I cut the pillowcase along both seams so I can open it up.
Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Then I submerged the pillowcase in a water and Mod Podge mixture. Then I placed the pillowcase on top of the frames and I arranged it until it was the way that I wanted it to be. And then I taped the sides of the picture frame so it won't get any spray paint on it. And I left the frame to dry. And then once it was dry, I used this metallic gold spray paint and I spray painted the pillowcase with 2 coats. This candle stand was only $4 at Goodwill and I already liked the way it looked. The only thing I needed to do was spray paint the tea light candles from silver to gold. And not only do I like the way that this came out, but it looks unique and elegant, and it also only cost $7. I bought the Dollar Tree ceramic soap dispenser and toothbrush holder and I did a hydro dip process with them. For the white set, I dipped it in gold and black spray paint in this water bowl. And for the black set, I dipped it in gold and white spray paint. They both came out looking so pretty and they only cost me $4 and some cans of spray paint. This $4 vase from Goodwill had a crack in it, and I spray painted it white. However, the first product that I was going to use to try to cover the crack wasn't really working out for me, so I decided to use Mod Podge and some faux snow from Dollar Tree to cover it and give it some texture.
Tonight we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning.
Once I had enough faux paint on it, then I spray painted it white again. I spray painted this wall decor, which I also got from Goodwill for only $4. I spray painted it silver, and I used the same texture technique to cover it and give it some design to it.
And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away.
I kept this candle holder or a vase, I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I kept it simple and I just spray painted it white.
Make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that.
I took this ceramic bathroom set from Dollar Tree, and I'm sorry you guys, but in the process I didn't realize that I did not hit the record button when I was making this. But basically I just taped it up and I painted it where I wanted the paint to go, and I kind of gave it like a color block style. This bathroom decor only cost about $13 and some spray paint and some glue. My friend loves elephants, so I had to get this book holder for her when I found it at Goodwill. I just spray painted it gold. And can you believe this mirror was only $12 at Goodwill? I spray painted this gold as well. I took some leftover empty boxes that my friend had and I just taped them up with some white printer paper and I spray painted them gold so that I could give some height to this white side table that she bought for her entranceway. I also helped her buy some figurines from Ross to go on this table, and here's some of the items right here. So what I did was I ended up mixing some Goodwill items with some store-bought items, and I put them together to give them like a cohesive look. These branches are from my backyard and I mixed them with some Dollar Tree flowers. And I also found this blue candle holder at Goodwill for only $4. I didn't really do anything to it. This is exactly the way it was. And once I stood back and looked at it, it looked picture perfect. It looked like something that was on display at a department store. So in total, my friend bought this side table on Amazon for about $40. We spent about $23 on the figurines from Ross, and I spent about $20 on the items from Goodwill that I made for her. So yeah, this whole look was no more than 80 bucks. And that's it, you guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. And like always, I'm going to catch you guys next time. Bye.